Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got a pasture-raised egg. We've got a lovely tomato. Some provolone cheese. Some organic white bread. And some mayo. Greetings, Mike Foster here. It's another killer fried egg sandwich. You saw what's in it. It's gonna be fast, simple, and easy. Very simple, but fresh and delicious with that tomato. Let's put this baby together. I'll meet you at the stove. I can't wait. All right, we got a medium warm pan. Let's put some butter down. All right, get that going. All right, mix that around. Let's put this egg down. Oh, that's a beauty right there. Let's give that a little pepper. These eggs are patience, take a couple minutes, you flip them, and we're gonna add the cheese. That's how you do it. All right, this will be ready for a flip in a few seconds. All right, let's give this guy a flip. Let's reduce that all the way to low. Let's cover it with this Provo. When that's melted, we'll put this baby together. All right, there's the toast. Start with some mayo on both sides. That's the key to Flavor Town. Put this perfect sliced tomato right there. Then we take this fried egg with the melted provolone cheese, just like that. Tomato likes a little salt and pepper. We've already seasoned the egg. That's beautiful. Here's another secret. Just a little mayo on that top right there. Let's do the old flipperoo. Oh. Center it. Presseroo. Stay together, guys. This is the old sliceroo. Oh, it wants to break. It wants to explode. Know what it really wants? It wants to be delicious. There it is. We'll get a close-up of that. There it is. Fried egg, cheese, tomato, and mayo sandwich. Big bite coming up. That's the baby right there. See if it's tastes as good as it looks. Oh, right there, look at that yolk. Oh. Right off that provolone has a tang. The tomato is bright, sweet. The egg is creamy and delicious. And this bread is very bready. A little salt and pepper on that tomato just bursted through. That's a baby. You gotta try this one. At Live Life 365 at YouTube. Try all my sandwich recipes. Try all my recipes. I have over 1,000 videos. Check it out. Join all the fun. I think some people are having fun. And keep living Life 365. Stay safe. Wear a mask. We still gotta wear a mask. Now, this is not a very good mask, but until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Ooey and gooey. Oh. That isn't a good mask. Both are white like this. Sweet babu, by the way. I'm not making fun, I'm just saying. You gotta wear a mask. You gotta wear a mask. Baba. Just like that. Just go through life like this. Bye. That's crazy. Kukutak.